on page 6 and 7 in this book, the 7th edition, it starts talking about the differences between humoral and cellular components of the immune response. The humors were believed to be spirits or things that you couldn't see that would do stuff. So in the case of the humoral immune response, it's those soluble fragments of antibodies and complement cascade and those things that are in the bloodstream that could help to stop a disease that are called the humoral responses. But then you have the cellular components, which are all the cellular components. You have macrophages that engulf invading organisms. You have cytotoxic T cells that kill infected cells that are infected with viruses or intracellular bacteria. The cell-mediated immunity is a little more complex, but it has a lot of T cells, and they produce a lot of the things that are used in the humoral immune response. You have cellular components that are making the antibodies that are going to be found in the humoral immune response. So now there's a great little passive antibodies in the Iditarod. This is a case where they were transporting antibodies from serum that they collected from someone who had the disease and got over it, and sending it to a very small isolated community. And they had teams of dog sleds that went across the area from one side of Alaska to the other in order to deliver these vaccines. It was over a 1,000-mile trek, and they still run the Iditarod every year now.